Alright you guys, so I got the cap driver installed on the Brother Persona, as you can see right over there. Over here I got the cap driver all set up the way it needs to be. So now the next thing to do will be to put a hat on there, upload a file that I have that's ready for a hat embroidery, because your hat embroidery files are different as far as just making my patches. So I got to make sure my files are correct, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my first tester with my new hat hoop on the Brother Persona. And also, if you guys didn't see it in the beginning, I do got this new Brother Persona stand. Helps keep things organized.